Sadly, some of you are not being taken seriously. You get crushed by other people's big ideas, priority and needs. And if you are not being taken seriously, people are not going to respect you the way you need to get out there and get what you want. So let's try to fix that, shall we? Here are 6 reasons people are not taking you seriously and how to fix them. First reason is that you're just way too nice. Being too nice is the problem that most men have dealt with in their life. And the way I like to say this is that you most likely need to stop being nice to everyone around you. Some people deserve your kindness, but most don't. However, and to be clear, this doesn't mean that you should stop being friendly and polite to everyone. It's not that. Just don't go out of your way to be nice and learn to put your foot down as soon as you're being taken advantage of. You will understand this if you have ever been so nice, so friendly to people, and they are still so mean to you, especially in school or your job. People will step on you if you let them. Some will do everything just to get better grades or even a small salary increase, even if that means stepping on you. That's the nature of some people in this world. So don't go as far as being an asshole. Be a kind and nice person, but not to the point of being used by everyone. There's a balance, but you truly have to believe in yourself and believe that you're worthy of respect and then demand it. Second reason is that you don't know how to speak properly. The same way that your behavior, the way you react to a situation and the way you speak says a lot about you. If every time you speak you're using slang, you're using a lot of bad words, it will backfire on you. You want to be talking like a man, not like a teenager. So what you should be doing instead is improving the way you speak, reducing filler words, the tone of your voice, improving your vocabulary. I'm not going to lie to you, this will take some time, but as you improve, people will start to treat you differently. Third reason is having poor quality friends. Good friends can make hard times easier and good times even better. It's normal to absorb and act the way your friends do. So if you have bad mates, sooner or later you will do something stupid. Your network of friends basically tells the whole world who you are. So if you want to be taken more seriously and be respected, surround yourself with good quality friends. Fourth reason that you're not being taken seriously is that you lack self-confidence. I mean, look around you. People with self-confidence know how to properly present themselves. If you don't have self-confidence and you start sweating all over the place, your posture disappears, you start stuttering, you will look like a lost man who doesn't know what he's doing. The moment that you show that you lack confidence or that you're uncertain about what you're talking about, people will notice and they will lose interest because they think they can't rely on you. Number 5 is that you're not being true to your word. Lying is the easiest and most effective way to destroy any sort of relationship. A lot of people make a bunch of promises to the whole world, but when the time comes, they fail to deliver. Whatever the reason is, with a few exceptions of course, if you end up not staying true to your word, people will stop believing in you and your future promises. People who actually get things done are granted more responsibility and they are also more respected. Sixth reason and last for today is that you don't take proper care of yourself. If you don't do your grooming properly, wear clothes that fit, smell good, brush your teeth, don't find it weird that people don't want to be around you. This stuff matters. Like it or not, people will judge you based on how you look. If people are looking at you and thinking, "Why should I take this guy seriously when he can't even take care of himself?" Something's wrong. Personal hygiene, grooming and taking care of yourself is vital. It's something that you should simply do. To end the video, and as an extra tip for you guys, you really need to give it time. Don't expect things to change like this. If for the past 10 years you have been acting stupidly, it will take a couple months for things to kick in. You really need to give some time to people to believe that you're different now, to trust you. Be patient with yourself, keep improving, keep progressing, and everything will go your way. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, if you did, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you again very soon. See ya.